Alright, this is a 2001 W900L, and I just wanted to do this video really quick to show in the last video the tire, the brakes was locked up because it moved in a little bit, but anyway, it I left the hood open, but anyway, moves now, shifts good, 18 speed. Transmission actually feels really good. Shifts good. The AC does work. I think I said it didn't, but the AC is blowing cold. It's about 88 here right now. Truck steers well. It runs good. The engine's been redone in it. I don't have the paperwork on me at this time, but this was one of their better trucks. Probably should go shut the hood. Yeah. Really good running truck. So 18 speed Caterpillar engine. Odometer shows 140,000. That's not correct, obviously. I mean, the truck's got a lot more miles on it than that. Not sure what the exact miles are, but on the overall truck, I plugged in the scanner. You can go back to the pictures and see that. That's what the ECM shows on the scanner. Not sure off the top of my head what that is right now, but everything seems to work on it. I think I went through this already, but wipers, they work. I don't know how to work the radio. Oh, there we go. This does have new batteries in it, so radio works.
On the trip with his lost father.
AC is blowing right now. Turn signals. So we got turn signal. So it looks like everything's working the way it should. I think in the listing it said it has to be out by October 1st. It's not October 1st. It's this just the normal time. We'd like you to pick it up within 14 days, but it definitely has to be out by November 1st. So